here, guys, and smile. Jennifer. Great.
What's your banana?
Ma mi lo stomaco pure le già sta troppo
Ma bisogna dare una mano così.
Ma che cosa?
Allora vieni a casa. Vieni qua.
Quando avevo una ma questa chi mi si viene qualcosa da
aspetta.
Dopo mangiare la mia mano, già mi andate a capire quello che sta qui. Agnès, oui, peut-être on se barre.
Ouais, parce que c'est verte celle-là.
Oui, sur la tête, tu vas te faire mal.
Attention, voilà les eaux.
Tu fais cambre.
Oh, il devrait Jean-Claude, Jean-Claude. Ouais, maintenant c'est... Ah bah oui. Allez là-bas.
Malo!
Trying to get him to turn over on his side. He doesn't want to.
Hey! Applaus! Applaus! Ja, applaus! Malo! Applaus!
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ think I have word one.
Look at my leg.
Kiên bát chân cho con thôi. Không. Giờ đi cho con. Bát chân không? Tiền không? Đi lên bàn thì lúc bạn này bạn đưa.มันต้องที่มันคือไม่ทำไม่หักหรอกไปลองคุณโซ่ขาดนั่นเลย
Especially the front wheel.
Op de laatste pitje nog jongens.
Yeah.
Serious. Decent.
Sao được phát trăng có la đâu rồi đấy thì sao phải lẻo.
I don't know if I can get a picture. I'm serious.
Okay, tell us where we are, Chris.
We are in Thailand, but I don't know, in Chiang Mai, outside Chiang Mai, but I don't know this river. I can't remember the name.
Mapping.
Maping River.
Around here also, maybe it's under your sitting now. Don't sit down without looking. ยินดีต้อนรับทุกท่านที่เป็นรายการแรกนะครับเราใช้งูพิษนะครับเป็นงูเห่าทั้งคู่นะครับแต่เป็นงูเห่าธรรมดานะครับหมายถึงไม่ใช่งูเห่าพ่นพิษไม่สามารถพ่นพิษได้นะครับแต่ตอนนี้ทั้งคู่ยังมีพิษและมีเขี้ยวอยู่นะครับที่เราสามารถเล่นกับมันได้เพราะว่าเรามีประสบการณ์นะครับแต่เราไม่มีเรื่องของเวทมนต์คาถาเข้ามาเกี่ยวข้องและไม่มีภูมิต้านทานกับพิษของพิษทุกชนิดใช้ประสบการณ์เล่นกับมันนะครับแต่ก็ยังคงเป็นการเล่นการสเตนที่เสี่ยงกับอันตรายนะครับพิษของมันสามารถฆ่าเราให้ตายได้ภายในเวลา1 ชั่วโมงเท่านั้นนะครับ You know everybody, the cobra show is a very dangerous show. Now he is playing with death. If a cobra bites him, he will die in 1 hour. The poison of a cobra can kill in 1 hour. Somebody might think those cobras have already had their fangs removed, but everybody you know, they still have poison now. They still have poison and fangs now. Do you believe me? If you don't believe me, you can try. But please don't try, really dangerous. And don't forget, many bites are due to inexperienced people attempting to capture snake. This man, we call him Snake Man or Snake Shaman. You know, he hasn't built up an immunity to the snake's poison. But everybody, he has a lot of experience. And he catches snakes by experience, not magic. Now it's not magic. Long time he feed and take care of the snakes. He has had the snakes since childhood. He knows a lot about the snakes now. Hey, please don't kiss it. Oh, yeah, you can kiss cobra, but don't let cobra kiss you. Deadly kiss, you know. Be careful. หลายคนนะครับเสียชีวิตเพราะว่าโดนมันกัดนะครับไม่เว้นแม้แต่กระทั่งพวกเราผู้มีประสบการณ์สูงนะครับถ้าประมาทก็มีสิทธิ์ถูกกัดได้เหมือนกันเมื่อถูกกัดต้องรีบไปโรงพยาบาลให้เร็วที่สุดนะครับไปฉีดเซรุ่ม Hey, be careful. He knows a lot about the snakes. He has a lot of experience. However, he occasionally has been bitten by snakes. You know, everybody, many years ago, he was accidentally bitten by a cobra during the show. What to do when cobra bite? If a cobra bites him, he must have an anti-venom serum as soon as possible. When a poison snake bites, only anti-venom serum can prevent death. But sometimes the wound will get gangrene. The doctor must cut the gangrene away. Somebody may lose a finger, arm, or even die. And many times people die from poison snake bites. Hey, be careful. It was estimated that about 10,000 snake bite injuries are reported in Thailand annually. This is because they live too far away from the hospital. But nowadays, there are less than 100 snake bites deaths in Thailand. Hey, be careful. If cobra bite, the victim will die in a short time, about 1 hour. But he has a lot of experience. Everything by experience, not magic now. However, cobra can bite him all the time. Hey, watch out. Hey, please, don't put your fingers into the snake's mouth. Many snakes in Thailand. There are about 179 species. Poison snakes are cobra, king cobra, banded cat, Lascelles viper, a few species of pit viper, and some species of sea snakes. But cobra is the most common deadly snake in Thailand. Okay, now everybody, he will pick it up for you to take a picture. Don't be afraid and don't worry, everybody. Okay, pick it up. Oh. Don't be afraid, everybody. That's for you to take a picture. Okay, please. And everybody, don't worry about that. If cobra bite, we can help you. The hospital not too far from here. We can send you to the hospital in the town in 1 hour, so don't worry. And now you will see how to catch cobra. And then you will see the cobra's poison. That's because we cover with plastics. We suppose the plastics to be human skin. When we take cobra bites at the plastics, the cobra's poison will spit out suddenly into the gas. Okay, everybody, look at gas, please. Everybody, we will count 1, 2, 3. Okay? Okay, everybody, be counting now. 1, 2, 3. Have you seen it? The cobra's poison.
Not body.
Yeah. The cobra's poison is not too much but you know everybody a dog can kill an elephant ถึงมันมีต่อมพิษสักพิษหลังจาก1 ชั่วโมงผ่านไปเราก็รีดได้อีกนะครับ 2 meters long be careful today is very hungry okay which one you want to go ahead be careful boy not watching you don't worry boy don't worry I don't like to eat chicken you not chicken that's only 5 years old 2 meters long the pattern can live for a long time about 30 years and you know everybody when it's fully grown it's over 10 meters
largest
you know 10 meters can
non-poisonous.
eat a man and also women especially pretty women but if you not pretty women don't worry ตัวนี้เป็นงูหลามนะครับจัดอยู่ในประเภทงูที่ไม่มีพิษนะครับแต่มันก็มีอันตรายกับมนุษย์พอสมควรเหมือนกันนะครับหลายคนเสียชีวิตเพราะว่าโดนมันรัดนะครับโดนกัดก็อันตรายเหมือนกันนะครับพวกนี้ฟันคมนะครับกล้ามเนื้อแข็งแรงนะครับชอบกินสัตว์ปีกเป็นอาหารนะครับจะกินนกเป็ดไก่หรือห่านนะครับBe careful, help me, Papa. Be careful. Pardon is oh, be careful, Be careful, you have only one. Pardon is a non-poisonous snake, but dangerous when it's strengthened or catch and bite. You know, if python bites, it can cut the skin off. Or pull the flesh away because python have very sharp
Python's
teeth
killed by strangling.
and be careful and the python has weak point or wing area at the end of the tail.
The
If python
python's
strangle you,
Yeah.
you can help yourself. You can help yourself by breaking or biting the end of the tail. If you do that, python will feel very pain and it will release you or go away from you. Please remember.
So remember that if you ever get a python that's wrapping around you, find the end of its tail and bite it, and it'll let go.
Look at him.
Now you will see how to catch. And everybody now, would you like to take a picture with a python? Python like to eat pretty women. And you so pretty. Eat sting ทั้งหลายนะครับ Fish become now they are very angry. We call them Asiatic rat snake. Hey, please don't let them out. Hey, come on! Don't be afraid, boy. Don't be afraid. Sit down, please. They are non-poisonous snakes. Sorry, I forget to tell you before, boy. But everybody, you know, it is a not good way to capture a snake. You will see, he will bite a snake or snake bite him. 50-50. Okay, do that. Okay, already. Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. When you see him, he's very glad. But sorry, he can't to smile. That one is the real one. Hey, speak up. Oh, 1 minute can speak and now it's very angry. Oh, be careful. Oh, when it's angry, it can speak about 1 minute. Hey, come on. This way, this way. Hey, follow me, please. Hey, be careful. ตัวนี้เรียกว่างูธรรมชาติครับเป็นงูไม่มีพิษนะครับโอ้โห snake bite snake นะ come on this way jumping snake not poison oh big snake bite small snake be careful come on this way ไม่มีพิษนะครับตัวนี้ไม่มีพิษแต่กัดมัน yeah I need you oh you very sexy my God kiss me please Kiss me. Oh, you ate. Oh, snake's haircut. Kiss me, please. Kiss me only. Don't bite my nose. Yeah. I love you so much. And I can't live without you because you make me a lot of money. Yeah, kiss me. Yeah. Hit and catch.
$25.